This video explains the three types of torque drivers and their applications, which are essential for operations and highly recommended for servicing of XPR systems. The first tools is for installing and tightening the XPR electrodes into the torch body. This tool, part number 429013, is essential to ensure electrodes are installed securely with the correct torque load. When this tool is not used, over or under tightening, the electrode may result in operational issues or damages to the torch. The next tools is for the removal and installation of the XPR solenoid valve V1, located in the torch receptacle. This tool, part number 229918, allows maintenance and service teams to safely remove the V1 valve and installing it with the correct torque load. Proper installation of this valve is required to prevent operational issues or damages to the torch. The third tools is for the removal and installation of the solenoid valves located in the XPR Torch Connect console or TCC. This tool, part number 229917, allows maintenance and service teams to safely remove the solenoid valves in the TCC and installing it with the correct torque load. Proper installation of this valve is required to prevent operational issues or damages to system. Thank you for watching.